Sony is gearing up for something huge again. The upcoming Sony A9 IV is already making headlines with insane leaks, rumored upgrades, and next-level performance features that might completely change the mirrorless game. If you thought the A9 II was fast, this one is on a whole new level. So let's break down everything we know so far about the Sony A9 IV, its leaked specs, expected release, features, upgrades, and why it could become the next king of sports and wildlife cameras. Sony's A9 series is famous for one thing: extreme speed. But according to the latest leaks, the A9 IV is not just getting faster, it's getting smarter, sharper, and more powerful. Sony seems to be mixing the high-end capability of the A1 with the high-speed DNA of the A9 lineup. New 4.5 MP stacked CMOS sensor rumored, faster readout, better low-light handling, improved dynamic range, no rolling shutter. This could be one of the biggest upgrades, combining high resolution with insane speed. 8K video upgrades, expected 8K 30fps, 4K 120fps with oversampling, better heat management, enhanced autofocus system, next-gen eye autofocus, real-time subject recognition, improved eye tracking for animals, humans, and birds, faster object tracking at 120 calculations sec, improved global shutter possibility. Some leaks say Sony might bring a hybrid global shutter pipeline, improving fast-moving action shots even more than A9 III. Better continuous shooting speed, expected 40 to 60 fps burst, no blackout, bigger buffer memory, dual Express Type A plus SD card slots, new Bions XR Plus processor, higher speed, less rolling shutter, better noise reduction, improved build and cooling system, magnesium alloy body, better weather sealing, more efficient heat dissipation. Sony is clearly targeting hybrid shooters. Leaks show upgraded 4K 120 FPS oversampled, 10-bit 4222 internal recording, S-Cinetone Plus new color science, improved IBIS up to 8 stops, cleaner low-light performance. Basically, this camera is not just for sports shooters. It's perfect for filmmakers too. Compared to A9 III, higher resolution sensor, better autofocus, sharper video performance, improved dynamic range, bigger buffer and faster FPS. Compared to A9 II, massive sensor jump, better color science, new processor, 8K capabilities, much faster autofocus. Overall, the A9 IV is shaping up to be the perfect mix between the Sony A1's image quality and the A9's legendary speed. This camera is perfect for wildlife photographers, sports shooters, action photographers, filmmakers, hybrid creators, high-speed commercial work. Expected release late 2025. The Sony A9 IV is shaping up to be a beast, the camera that blends power, speed, and next-gen autofocus in a way we've never seen before. If these leaks turn out to be true, the A9 IV could become one of the most advanced mirrorless cameras ever created. Whether you're a photographer or a filmmaker, this is one camera you need to keep your eyes on.